and I'm coming to you live from the floor. So, we actually got some snow. We're in North Carolina, if you guys don't know, and my name is Cindy. I'm one of two sisters that run this channel. My other sister is Tamika. We don't live together, so when stuff like this happens, or we're kind of like snowed in or iced in or whatever, we just kind of make the best of it. But anywho, guys, so we did get like some snow, some sleet, some I don't even know. That's also why I look like this. So please don't mind my hair, but there was no way this hair is about to get done. So today for the CVS Deals video, we decided to just do the deal matchups, and then we'll also talk about what deals are that you can do online. So if you guys are not familiar with shopping at CVS online, this is something that I used to do all the time when I did CVS videos. And basically the premise is you want to go for things that you have digitals for, as well as buy deals only, unless you just have CRT deals, and I'll be talking about some of those in the video. But anywho, I'm going to call Tamika so that way she can kind of say hello. I know you guys always miss her, and since she has not been in all of the videos recently and we are kind of back into the groove of things, I was like, at least she could say hello. That would work. So I'm going to call her really quickly, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like outside and kind of like why we're going to be doing this like this, and just kind of go from there, and we'll just kind of see how it flows, hopefully. Hello? Hey, sorry, I was still chatting, but Tamika is on the line. Say hello.
Hi guys, it's Tamika.
Yeah, so we are just going to kind of go over these deals like how we used to back in the day. Well, it'll be just me, but you know I like to say we. And we'll just see how it goes. We have some really great freebies this week. And yeah, so let's go see what it looks like outside, and then we'll get right into these deals. You want to say bye, Tamika?
Right, bye, y'all.
Bye. Okay, let's go. Let's hope I don't trip and fall, Jesus. Y'all, now it's kind of like super icy out, and y'all might be able to hear this, but we'll see. But you can kind of see, and it's literally freezing. But very, very winter wonderland. So I'm not moving. I'm not going anywhere. So I'm about to share with you guys these deals, and hopefully everyone is safe and warm. Right now we have power and everything, so I'm trying to get this done. But we're just hoping that it doesn't get too bad. But it's gorgeous nonetheless, so we'll just kind of see how it goes. All right, y'all.
Alright guys, so the first deal that we have is on the Flips Bites bar with pretzels and caramel. These are pretty tasty, very chocolatey. They're priced at $1.39, so we're going to pick up just one because they're not on sale this week. We have $1.34 back on Shopkick that scans plus kicks, a total of $335. So make sure you're scanning in store, and then you're going to submit to IBOTTA for a 50-cent IBOTTA rebate, making them completely free and a 45-cent money maker. So definitely worth picking up. Now, the next deal we are going to talk about is the Colgate Optic White 2-in-1 Max or Total Toothpaste. They are on sale this week again for $3.99. They are buy two, get a $4 extra care buck. So we're going to pick up two of them. The limit is two on this deal for $7.98. You're going to use a $4 off of one digital coupon. Do not clip the 50-cent digital, guys, okay? You'll pay $3.98. You'll get $4 back in extra care bucks, making this completely free and a 2-cent moneymaker. Now guys, it would not be a week if the Colgate toothbrushes were not on sale as well as they were last week. So they are $4.49 this week. Buy two, get a $5 extra care buck. You're going to pick up two of them for $8.98, and the limit is two. You're going to use two of the $2 off of one Smart Source, $2 for one coupons. They're in Smart Source 1 too, guys, and you'll pay $4.98, and you'll get back $5 in extra care bucks, making this completely free and a 2-cent moneymaker. Now, guys, we are going to combine this deal just like we did last week. If you have the 5 off 25 Colgate CVS CRT, or if you have that $4 off of 25, just any toothpaste, mouthwash, toothbrush, I also have that one as well. So you're going to pick up 4 of the toothpaste for $15.96, and then you're going to pick up 2 of the I want to say mouthwash because the mouthwash deal was last week, but you're going to pick up 2 toothbrushes at $8.98. That's going to bring us to $24.94. We're going to be utilizing the 98% rule in this, so you're going to use the 4 off of 2 digital coupon, and make sure you don't clip the 50-cent coupons, guys. And then you're going to use 2 of the $2 Colgates from Smart Source 1 2 and 2 of the $2 Colgate toothbrushes from Smart Source 1 2. Use that 5 off of 25 CVS CRT. Of course, all CVS CRTs are select shop, shoppers, you're going to pay $7.94. You'll get back $13 in extra care bucks, making this deal completely free and a $5.06 moneymaker. So this can definitely cover the cost of your haul. Now, like I said, I just wouldn't combine these deals unless you had that CRT. So the next deal that we have is going to be on the Hallmark cards. Now, since I can't go in store, but we know that typically the $2 coupon, I mean not $2 coupons, the $2 cards attach, and typically the 99-cent cards attach as well. So I base this off the $2 cards as long as you have a CRT. If you don't, I would pick up the 99-cent ones, but our store tends to not carry them. So the Hallmark cards are buy three, get a $3 extra care buck. So we're going to pick up three of the $2 cards priced at $6. Use a $3 off of two CVS CRT, pay $3, get $3 back in extra care bucks, making these completely free. And guys, kind of keep in mind that we do have holidays coming up, Mother's Day and Valentine's Day. So great time to go ahead and snag those deals. Now the next, well not deals, but cards. But anywho, next deal is going to be on the Gillette razors and Venus refills. They are buy two, get a $10 extra care buck. And guys, I cannot lie, I love when this deal comes around. It's one of my favorite deals to do. So you're going to pick up one of the Gillette Venus razors for $9.99 and one of the Gillette Mac 3s for $9.99. It's going to equal up to $19.98, so we're going to be utilizing the 98% rule per normal. Look for that 5 off of 20 shave CRT, a $3 Venus digital, and then also a $3 Gillette digital. You'll pay $8.98. You'll get back $10 in extra care bucks, making this free and a $1.02 moneymaker. I do want to let you guys know that this is a deal that you can do online because it is a buy deal, along with the Colgate toothpaste deals as well if you just do the Colgate toothpaste 4 off of 2, okay? Next up, we have the Select Fructis Hair Care. So we're going to be picking up those Garnier masks once again if your location accepts an expired coupon, guys. And this is a normal policy for most CVS's, but you need to check. So you're going to pick up two of them for $7. Use the 5 off of 2 and save 1 2. You'll pay $2 and get back $3 in extra care bucks, making it free and a $1 moneymaker. So fantastic deal. Next up, we're going to be chatting about this micro gold. Now, I was really hoping that we were going to have coupons, but we don't, and that's okay. They are on sale this week for $9.99, and when you buy one, you get a $9 extra care buck. So since things, as far as like the COVID cases have been kind of rising, I think it's a great time to make sure that you have your antibacterial, antimicrobial items so you can kind of clean up. And it's only 99 cents, so a fantastic deal and an easy way to roll your extra care bucks. Now, this is a deal that you'll have to check and make sure that your store has on sale. So the Dickinson's Witch Hazel is $7.59. You're looking for the alcohol-free version that matches this IBOTTA rebate. Now it's $7.59 and it's supposed to be on sale 50% off in store only through 1/22. Okay, so 50% off would be $3.79, and then you'll submit to IBOTTA for a $3 IBOTTA rebate, making this just 79 cents, guys. And we've had this as a freebie before on IBOTTA, and it's not too shabby, so I would definitely give it a chance. Now, the next deal that we have is on the CoverGirl Cosmetics. They are buy two, get a $5 extra care buck this week, or buy three, get a $7 extra care buck. Now, I just kind of based this on our instant coupon for this week, which was a $3 any CoverGirl Cosmetics. So, pick up two of the twin brow pencils priced at $6.49. Yours may be higher. It'll be $12.98. Use your $3 CRT. Two $2 coupons from Smart Source 19. You'll pay $5.98. You'll get back $5 in extra care bucks, making the final price just 98 cents or 49 cents each. And guys, don't forget that if you do have a the free beauty, you could use that on the CoverGirl deal, or if you have another CRT. Now we have a simple deal this week on the Almighty packs. They are $3.49 on sale. We have that $2 coupon that came out and save 116, making them just $1.49, which is not too bad. And you may have a CRT, but I didn't. So really easy deal to pick up. Now the next deal is on the Bayer aspirin chewables, guys. I wanted to kind of throw this in there. I love doing easy deals like this online. They are $3.59 and the $3 CRT is attaching, making them only 59 cents. And these are chewable, so super easy deal. And the last deal that I have for you guys is on the Ensure or Glucerna products. They are buy two, get a $5 extra care buck this week, and you can pick up two of the Glucerna mini treats. They are showing valid online. They are $5.99, so it's going to be $11.98. You'll use two of the $3 off of one coupon coupons in Smart Source 1 2, you'll pay $5.98. You'll get back $3. No. I don't know why I just said that. You're going to use 2 of the $3 coupons and you'll pay $5.98. And then you'll end up getting $5 back in extra care bucks, making this deal just 98 cents or 49 cents each. So a really great deal.
Okay guys, so I just kind of finished wrapping up the video, and y'all just gonna have to excuse my heavy breathing because I'm so not used to doing voiceovers. Not a whole voiceover. I used to do it a lot more, like a year ago or so. But anyways, just disregard the heavy breathing. But yeah, hopefully this was really helpful for you guys. I just wanted to reiterate the deals that you can do online as buy deals if you are snowed in as well. So the Colgate toothpaste, the 4 off of 2, because it's a digital, and you can use your extra bucks online, guys, with that, because I'll probably just be doing an online purchase. So you can do that one, and that shouldn't be any kind of issue there. And then you can also do the Venus razor, Gillette razor deal online. Shouldn't be any kind of issues there. You can you can also do the micro gold. That should be super easy. You're just rolling extra care bucks, so no problem there. The Bayer deal you could also do online as well, and it just kind of depends on your CRTs. Just keep in mind that only buy deals will work online. As far as using your coupons, when you try to do a spin deal, it's hard to meet your thresholds because it takes off your coupons. It doesn't act the same as it does in store, so it's very hard to meet your thresholds. Anywho, guys, you guys enjoyed the CVS video last week so much, and you requested that we would add it, so we are doing just that and trying to add them on Sundays. So we hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And guys, like I said, we're just trying to keep it simple. Nothing too crazy around here, okay, y'all? All right, y'all, we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.